Welcome, here I've got KIANO Elegance 6.1 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to the more settings. We can do it by tapping on this icon here. And as you can see here we have different options to manage, and this one in the orange color is the ratio, so by tapping on this we can easily change it. For now we are in the 16:9 ratio. When I tap on this again we go to the 18:9 ratio, so this is how it looks like, and when I tap on this again we go to the 1:1, so it's shorter and with the square, and once again we are again in the 4:3 ratio. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.